Yo, let's go.
Hey, oh, sh. For today's recipe, you will need a few ingredients, starting off with 1 large egg. The second ingredient is half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. You can use 1 teaspoon of another sweetener such as honey or maple syrup, just in case you don't want to use granulated sugar. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Additionally, we're gonna add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 4 slices of bread. We're gonna add a little bit of salt just to bring out a little bit of flavor. The last ingredient will be a little bit of butter. Whether you wanna put it in your pan to help prevent sticking or you wanna use it on the end. Our first step will be to whisk together a couple of ingredients. In order to do this, you will want to get a shallow dish, such as a pie bowl. In the pie bowl, we are going to place the eggs, milk, sugar, vanilla, and cinnamon. You should be able to easily dip your bread into the dish. The second step will be to place the bread slice into the mixture on one side. Let it soak for a couple of seconds before flipping the slice and repeating the process. Be aware that leaving the bread in the dish for too long will make it extremely soggy and worse to eat. Our third step after coating is to place butter in the skillet or a frying pan and let it melt before placing your bread slices in there. Set the skillet or frying pan to medium heat and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side before serving. Hey guys, thank you for watching today's video. If you like my intro to this video, make sure to leave a like. If you have any recommendations for future videos, make sure to let me know in the comments area. And if you're feeling generous today, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.